Now that you understand the dashboard layout, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding engaging instruction items to your course. There are 3 types of instruction items: video, interactions, and projects. Through the course, you can add interactions such as peer-to-peer discussions, notes, and ask choice questions. These can be placed in a task in the course or embedded in a video. I will walk you through each of these options in the next videos. Adding interactivities to your Dawn course is simple. First, you need to be in a section. We'll go ahead and choose Section 1 by clicking on it. There may be some default items in there for you. If you don't want to use them, you can simply delete. The type of interactions that you can add are in this Add Instruction icon here, and they are project, interaction, or video. Let's start with a project. We'll give it a title, and then also give any points possible. Below that, give it instruction. From here, I can also add any supplemental material. The 2 types are website or attachment. Let's do website. You can give it a description, and then choose the website you want them to go to. Whenever you're ready, you can go back to your project example and also add another supplement if you want through an attachment. Give it a description and then choose the attachment. If you do not have the attachment already uploaded into your files area, remember you can do that at any point. Click upload and choose your file, and then once you've uploaded your file, it will now display in the drop-down for you. When you're ready, go back to the project example, and you can see the supplemental material there. It's always good to preview your interaction as a learner. Click Preview in the top right. You can see your instructions, the 2 types of supplemental materials that you could potentially use. A website will open up in a new tab, and an attachment will download in the browser. When ready, the learner will go to the submission, choose a file. It will show a preview of that file. They can give comments and then submit. Once it's submitted, they could submit again or view the gallery of all the submissions from learners participating in this course. We'll go ahead and exit preview and go back to our section 1. Now on the left-hand side, you see your project example. The next one from projects is the interaction. We're going to go ahead and first give this a title, and then we're going to do 3 examples of interactions. The first one is a choice activity. We're going to give it a title, and then we'll give it some content, which either could be in a statement in which they make choices, or you can ask a question. Give some answers, and then be sure to delete the ones that do not apply or that you are not using. Then you're going to choose which is the correct answer, which could be more than one. Then you're going to determine the points for getting that question correct. Then you're going to choose the feedback that will display to the learner once they select this answer. These can be modified as well. Then you also choose the points or feedback for the incorrect answers. You can also add supplemental material here as well. When you're ready, you could preview this, see the feedback, and you could also reset and see the wrong answer. Let's exit the preview. We're going to go back into the interaction example and display the 2 other types. This one is a discussion. Give it the points possible. Ask your prompt or question. Add any supplemental material you may want. We'll go ahead and preview this as a learner. Here is your prompt. The learner would add their response. A nice thing to remember is that they can add an image, a video, or a file by clicking this attachment icon here. They could choose an image, which will preview for them. They'll also be able to see posts by other learners in this course as well. Let's go ahead and exit preview, and let's look at our last type of interaction, which would be a note. Give it points possible, and again, context. And then also adding any supplemental material. We'll preview this, and you can see that it's very simply a note to the learner. We'll exit preview. Now you can see the 3 types of interactions. Let's go ahead and go back to section 1. On the left-hand side, you can now see project and interaction examples. We're going to go ahead and add the last type of interactive task, which is a video. To add a video, you'll need to choose the video that you want to display. Again, take note that if you have not already added your video, you will need to upload before it will display in this drop-down. Then you'll need to add the transcript file. Again, if you have not done so, you'll need to upload that first. Choose how many points per minute they will receive. And then you can add any type of interaction to this video. If I click the interactions, you'll see that you have the 3 choices again: choice, discussion, and note. We're going to do one quick example because there is one small difference between this interaction and the interaction you see here that's outside of a video. I'm going to do a note, something very simple, worth 5 points, and give it some context. But I'm going to go back to the example video, and you can see this interaction is tied to this particular video. I want this note to display at a certain point within my video, so I'm going to go to that point, and again, I could play the video. So once I have it at the spot I want that note to display, I click in the Actions area, and I click Set Position, and it's going to automatically show the position you chose from the video. So when I click it again, it will show it is now set to position 30 seconds. Let's do another one. I'm going to go ahead and choose a discussion. And again, this is tied directly to the video. I'm going to go ahead and go back. And you can see that, again, those interactions that are tied to this video specifically. I want this interaction to display at 1 minute within my video. I'm going to go to my interaction, click Actions, and then set that position. I am now going to have 2 spots within the video that stop and have an interaction. So now if we look on the left-hand side, we have a project, an interaction, and an example video. These are the 3 interactive activities, and the 3 interactive types are choice questions, discussion, and a note. Please take a moment to answer a quick question as we move forward.